Welcome to new video. For this one I'm going to build not one but two very specific beds for the kids. And by the end of this video you will know exactly how to build it one from scratch. Now when the all lumber is chosen, I can finally rip apart these and these boards so I can get two even parts of them. All the lumber have been cut and now it's ready for the planing and the sanding and of course the finish. Just started planing all the boards with this new Metabo planer and the outcome is amazing. All the planing work is done. It took me a couple hours and the new Metabo planer did a very great job. And for the next part, I'm going to use a router for the edges. What a mess. But now all the edges are perfect. So next part is sanding, and for that I'm going to use this Makita sander. For these gaps I'm using dust and glue to fill them. It's finally over. The sanding is done. And for the next part, the finish, I'm going to use this wood stain. This is how much wood stain I needed to paint all the lumber for both beds. This is the wrap for the first one, and now I have to put together the other one. Thanks for watching till the end. As you can tell, kids absolutely love the beds. And if you like to see more projects like this, like and subscribe to support the channel. And see you in the next one.